If you're looking for the best trailer hitch bike rack, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have CURT 13182 Class 3 Trailer Hitch for Bike Rack. Before I tell you about the product, should spend few words on the company itself, because this US-based company made towing things so much easier for everyone. CURT has been the pioneer of producing top-class hitches that ensures quality as well as safety. The CURT 13182 is a Class 3 trailer hitch. Well, for a better understanding, you should know that the hitches are classified according to their weight capacity. Class 3 types are also known as heavy-duty hitches, which are attached to the frame of the vehicle. You can tow up to 6,000 pounds of weight by it. Now, let's discuss the CURT 13182's build quality and other features. First of all, let's talk about the design of the product. CURT uses real-life cars to create the perfect design of their hitches. The cutting-edge software ensures the angles and load distribution of the hitch are well-balanced and safe to operate. There are times when you can't compromise with the durability of things. When it comes to hitching, the first thing you'd like to know is whether it has enough strength to keep things together. Well, you can be assured that CURT has a combination of robotic and manual arms for premium welding. The production house ensures that all the hides are to their optimal strength and the weld lines are perfectly aligned so that you don't face any difficulties to set up the hitch in the precise position. But you might need to remove any unwanted dirt from your car's hitch mounting area for a better fitting. The CURT 13182 is automatically scraped to smoothen the surface of the hitch. For long-lasting protection from rust, they've used Bondurite undercoating all around the hitch. Hold on, they weren't happy with all these yet. Hence, for an extra shiny finish, special black powder coat is applied. This advanced coating ensures your hatch doesn't catch any kind of rust. Sometimes, a discolored or faded hitch might ruin your car's vibe. So, CURT, with a UV-resistant coating over it, made sure that the unruly sun doesn't fade away from your hitch's shiny surface. Now let's move on to the technical sides of the trailer hitch. Like all other standard Class 3 trailer hitches out there, you have a 2x12 hitch receiver for the CURT 13182. You can set up your bike's rack very easily because most of the common bike racks come in the mentioned diameter. Besides using your bike rack, it also allows you to tow other things. You'd be glad to know that this Class 3 trailer hitch can accept ball mount, cargo carriers, as well as tow hook. While pulling something big, you should keep in mind that its weight distribution capacity is 7,500 pounds. It is tested per SAE J684 for safety, so you shouldn't be worried about towing your stuff at all. The solid material used in it allows you to use it to its limit. So, if you are considering it for your bike racks, there shouldn't be any doubt. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Draw-Tite 76034 Class Roman 3 Round Tube Max Frame Receiver. Draw-Tite is also a premium brand in producing the vehicle's custom fits. They've been making high-quality hitches and towing products since 1947 out of pure passion. The Draw-Tite 76034 is one of such products which was first introduced in 2017 for various types of vehicles. The Class 3 trailer hitch comes in a round tube. The difference between a wide square frame and a round tube is the weight. Usually, the latter one is much lighter than the other. Some people believe that the square-shaped hitches are stronger ones, but if you're one of them, then it's disappointing. Because all the Class 3 hitches that come from the Draw-Tite meet V5 and SAE J684 standards. That means the products are capable of carrying a heck of a load. It is designed for modern-day trucks, sport utility vehicles, and standard cars. This hitch comes in 2-inch square receiver tubes. You can attach any kind of bike racks to it with minimum effort. You don't even need to buy any extra screws or parts for the installation, because they have included the hitch installation screws in the packaging box. There is no additional drilling or welding is needed for the installation. All you need to do is just attach it to the frame of your car and bolt it with your hand and tighten it with a simple tool. Voila! You are all set to go. To ensure a confident look, they have introduced computer-aided designing, also known as CAD, to reach the appropriate weight distribution dimension. These hitches are fatigue tested and are committed to top-class towing performance. Similar to the CURT 13182 trailer hitch, this item also has a rust-proof coating all around. The coat formula ensures that the color and look of the hitch remain the same for years no matter how tough the weather condition is. Be it sun or rain, your hitch will shine like new for several years. All the max frame receiver hitch is custom built. Draw-Tite has designed its hitches each time a new model of car was introduced. You'll find your precise trailer hitch according to the manufacturer and model year specifications. Though you'll be using the trailer hitch as a bike rack carrier, still you should know the maximum towing capacity of the hitch. Usually, max frame receivers are rated up to 8,000 ohms. So, you can tow anything heavy as well as your bike racks. It'll be an easy job for the receiver to carry 3 or 4 bikes at once. The number 3 position is held by Reese Towpower 44569 Class Roman 3 Custom Fit Hitch for Bike. Reese is the only vendor who doesn't have any recurring product on this list. However, the Reese Towpower 44569 Class 3 Custom Fit Trailer Hitch has made its way here with its widely applauded reputation for durability and performance. This Reese trailer hitch is lightweight and compact. To be honest, you don't always find a Class 3 trailer hitch weighing this low. This is because they've used high-quality material in the making. The dimension of the hitch is 45.25 x 15.63 x 7.25 inches, which is believed to be smaller than the average size. If you are looking for a hitch to carry your bikes for a tour or somewhere else to ride alone and refresh your mind, then this one could be the best fit for you. Because people who usually look for a Class 3 hitches have the intention of carrying something heavy like boats or carts. This is why manufacturers give the hitches a bigger shape. But the good thing about the Reese Towpower 44569 is it's not made unnecessarily wide and heavy. They have kept it simple so that anyone can install it quickly without any sort of expertise. However, you need a bike rack that can be attached to a 2-inch receiver to use this hitch. You'll find a unique thing in the engineering of this particular item. Usually, trailer hitches come with 6 mounting holes in total on both ends of the hitches for locking into the car's frame. But interestingly, this time, you'll see each of them has 2 holes on each side and 2 additional holes at the center just over the hitch receiver to give additional support. This little piece of engineering has both advantages and disadvantages too, because not all the cars have these center holes for hitches. So, if your car doesn't have that facility, you might need to call someone else or pick up the drilling machine in your hand to make 2 additional holes precisely. But it's not like that you can't use the hitch without securing the center screws. However, if you consider bike racks on your hitch, then you should fasten those center bolts. Since the bike racks made for trailer hitches are the hanging ones, and they don't have any ground support, it'll stop the racks from jumping too much. Hence, you'll get a close-fitting and well-secured ride. The Reese Towpower 44569 has a tongue weight capacity of up to 500 pounds and a gross towing weight of 5,000 pounds. A smooth welding finish and black powder coat ensure the hitch has a firm construction and an outstanding glossy look. Reese always wants to offer something extra for its customers. This is why you get a hitch box cover with this item. Next at number 4, we have CURT 13146 Class Roman 3 Trailer Hitch for Bike Rack. For our number 4 trailer hitch, we had to go back to the CURT again. This is also a Class 3 hitch that enables towing facility for pickup trucks, sport utility vehicles, snowmobiles, passenger cars, all-terrain vehicles, trailers as well as a bike or cargo racks. The carbon steel technology ensures that the hitch can hold things together while the maximum stress is in submission. It is a gross trailer weight of 6,000 ohms and a weight distribution gross trailer weight of 8,000 ohms. Like the previous CURT trailer, this one is also tested for safety as per SAE J684 etiquettes. This means you can install this item without any kind of hesitation. The 2-inch square receiver tube opening of the hitch is compatible with most of the hitch-mounted fittings such as bike racks, cargo racks as well as ball mount for towing any kind of heavy trailers. The center of the hitch receiver is placed at the middle of the bumper edge like any other hitches. Though the welding line of this Class 3 hitch can be seen from broad daylight, you shouldn't be worried about the quality of the product. This welding procedure is done by the robotic arms at the CURT workshop in the USA, and then again rechecked and furnished by the expert manual hands. Each of the hitches goes through several testing units to ensure that all the products that leave the station are 100% ready to take the loads. You'd be glad to know that they perform both in-house testing inside their Detroit engineering facility and outside for aftermarket inspections. After the strenuous tests are done, they dip the hitches into high-quality ink liquid coat 2 times to make sure the coatings are more than enough to sustain hostile weather conditions. CURT uses a special co-cured solution that includes a black powder coating to resist rust and UV rays. The last thing you'd want to know about the hitch is whether it is hard to install. Well, it's very simple to attach the hitch to your car as it is a full bolt-on installation process. If your car's hitch mounting frame is not rusty or broken, you don't need any kind of welding to secure the hitch to the vehicle. Don't worry about the installation process, because CURT is a well-reputed company and they know their customers. So, they have included the hardware kit and a well-revised instruction manual so that you can easily perform the installation maneuver. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Draw-Tite 75579 Max Frame Class Roman 3 Receiver Hitch for Bike Rack. The last product on our list is from the Draw-Tite. We've come across the company's status from the earlier section of the article, so let's just try to find out why the 75579 receiver hitch is a good fit for your bike racks. Though both of the products are from the same manufacturer, still there are significant differences between them. This trailer hitch is comparatively heavier than the previous receiver hitch. The Draw-Tite 76034 weighs about 28 pounds, where this time the weighing scale hits 45 pounds. What I liked about this model is its design is much elegant than the earlier ones. It is flat and straight in its shape and looks bold. But it's a matter of sorrow that no one will see your hitch except the receiver end once it is installed. Anyway, you'll find another dissimilarity here as this one doesn't have any center securing bolts. There are 5 securing bolt holes together on the brackets. Draw-Tite had to make a slight modification to the driver's end of the hitch due to the selected cars for this item have an air conditioning line there. This makes the left bracket's length shorter than the right one. You'll get 3 holes at the left and 2 holes on the right brackets. However, you don't need any additional drilling to set up the hitch. The standard installation process should take about 20 minutes provided you don't face any trouble. This hitch has a premium finish and passed several tests as per the SAE regulations before coming into operation. The double layer of coat and black power finish all around the hitch ensure it is rust and scratch free for a long time. The 2x12" hitch receiver can be attached to any kind of trailers as well as bike racks. On top of that, you can add a cargo carrier since most of the cars that go with this has so limited cargo space. So, it'll certainly make your day when you need a little bit more space for carrying your goods. The manufacturer likes to introduce the Draw-Tite 75579 as both Class Roman 3 and Roman 4 type hitch. That means you can consider it as a super heavy-duty trailer hitch. It has a gross trailer weight of 4,000 and a tongue weight of 400. Hence, you shouldn't find it hard to rack up some of your favorite bikes on it. That's all for today. We upload outdoor product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.